Hi, I'm the word historian, and this is the etymology of saxophone. An instrument we are all familiar with, played by many iconic characters like Lisa Simpson. But did you know that the inventor behind the saxophone was probably one of the most unlucky inventors ever? Oh, and most of my viewers are not subscribers, so if you like this video, then like and subscribe. It's free and you can always change your mind. Thank you and enjoy the video. First off, saxophone is defined as a member of a family of metal wind instruments with a single reed mouthpiece used especially in jazz and dance music. But you knew that, didn't you? So where did saxophone come from? It all starts with Antoine Joseph Adolphe Sax, born in November 6, 1814 in Dinant, Belgium. His parents were instrumental designers and made several changes to the French horn, so Sax started to do the same at an early age. Sax was referred to as Little Sax the Ghost because he was so unlucky with the accidents such as falling from the height of 3 floors and hitting his head on a stone and barely able to stand afterwards. At the age of 3, he drank a bowl of acidic water and swallowed a pin, burnt himself seriously in a gunpowder explosion, fell onto a hot cast iron frying pan, burning his side, survived an accidental poisoning from keeping varnished items in his bedroom during the night, was hit on the head by a rock, and fell into a river and nearly died. Sax made many improvements of his existing instruments such as the bass clarinet and the sax horn. In 1840, Sax invented the saxophone, which he patented in 1846. The saxophone was his signature accomplishment and helped him secure a job teaching at Paris Conservatory in 1857. Sax continued to make instruments later in life, but this is where his luck becomes bad once again. Rival instrument makers attacked the legitimacy of his patents and were sued by Sax for patent infringement. This legal back and forth continued for over 20 years, and he was driven into bankruptcy 3 times in 1852, 1873, and 1877. To make things even worse, Sax got lip cancer in 1853, but made a full recovery in 1858. In 1894, Sax died of pneumonia and was in complete poverty according to his obituary. How does your luck compare to Sax? Let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you enjoyed it. Oh, and ring that bell for notifications. I hope you learned something new. This was the etymology of the word saxophone. Have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video.